Hi, I'm Josh from Easy Kleen. Today we're here to introduce one of our most popular commercial hot water units. It is powered by a 14 horsepower Kohler engine. It has a general pump, 3.5 gallons per minute, 4,000 psi. It has a gas engine with a diesel burner. The burner is a Wayne burner. It runs off of 12 volts, so this unit is a fully self-contained unit. It's always important before starting the job to make sure your fluids are all topped up. Check your engine oil, check your pump oil. Make sure you have gas in the gas tank. Make sure your diesel tank's full. That way when you get to the job site, you can go right to work. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call today at Easy Kleen, 1-800-315-5533 for all your cleaning needs.